Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off screen distance alerts on iPhone. First thing you want to do, you want to go to settings, then you want to scroll down and you want to go to the section screen time. You want to scroll down on the screen time and then you want to click on screen distance. Screen distance, for those of you not familiar, simply is alert that simply protect you from hurting your eyes. Screen distance works by simply measuring the distance between the screen and your eyes, and this is something very important. This especially if you have like kids using the device, the phone or the iPad, could simply be a game changer. So click continue, and now how screen distance actually works, you're gonna get a small tips and tutorials. Screen distance encourages you to move your iPhone or iPad further away from your vision held. Viewing distance, iPad and iPhone should be held at a suggested distance at 12 inches from your eyes. Okay, there is a small ruler underneath, as you can see. Then press continue. Okay, now the screen distance is on. To reduce the eye strain and risk of myopia in children, screen distance will alert you when you hold your phone too close. This is how you turn on, this is how you turn off. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.